tell you what, it's raining. Southern Michigan is getting rain. I'll tell you what, I'm very thankful for that. I got city water, so I gotta water my plants with water I pay for, and that adds up. And it's nowhere near as good for the plants as natural rainwater. So, I mean, thank God we've got the rain that we've got today. It's been slow, steady rain. The ground is completely saturated. There are puddles forming, and that's wonderful. Very, very wonderful. And hopefully this is the end of the dry spell, because that dry spell, it sucks. You know, I got a friend, for him to water, even paying for it, it's even beyond that for the difficulty. You know, I mean, got to carry buckets and shit like that. This rain, there's a lot of people around here thankful. And that's not even including the farmers and the people who grow your food. So, anyway, hope you guys are all doing great. Take care.